Now, you know what you did wasn't nice, right? Adeline? What did you do?
What?
What did you do that wasn't nice?
Cut her.
You cut who?
Tasha.
Where did you cut her?
In the living room.
You cut her hair?
Yes, haircut. Let's go. Mommy, see it.
No, I'm not going to let you see it. I
Yes.
want you to know that what you did wasn't nice.
How you know it was nice?
Okay, go back there. Back up. Now, here's the scissors.
No, you got hairs on them.
Yeah, they do have hairs on them. Tasha hairs.
No. They're to my hairs.
You cut your hair? That's not your hair on there. Those are Tasha hairs. I can tell the difference, young lady.
No, you are.
That was very naughty.
No, you was cut her.
I did not cut her.
Yes.
You cut her, and you know that that wasn't nice. So I want you to go back in there and you tell her you're sorry.
No, not.
Addie, are you a nice girl?
No, not.
You're not?
Oh, yes.
I know you're a nice girl. Can you look at Mommy? That's what I want to see.